Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can mirror image in MS Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to select the picture. So let me select from downloads. So this is the image that I want to mirror. So let me make it a smaller first so I can mirror that. So this is the image and I want to mirror that, so you simply need to go into the picture effects. So first we need to make a copy of this image to show you. So let me select and click on Ctrl C, hit enter, and here you need to paste. So here you can see that I have two images and I want to mirror that. You simply need to select image and go into the picture format and click on picture effects, click on 3D rotation and click on 3D rotation options, and here in X rotation you simply need to tap on 180. So here you can see that. So this is a process by which you can mirror image in MS Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.